Are we ready? What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back. So today I'm gonna get my hair braided. I have my hair prepped already. Basically what I did was wash my hair last night and I put my hair in 6 really big twists and I just let it dry overnight. And this morning when I got up, showered, got ready, whatever, I took my blow dryer and I just passed the blow dryer through my hair in those 6 sections really quick. And I do that just so I won't put that much heat in my hair, but still give them, you know, some good set of prepared hair to work with. So I'm gonna be taking you guys on my journey today. I'm heading out now, so let's go.
Yeah. I've been down so in love like. 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 In love like.
Right at the end when I was supposed to show you guys my results. So I mean, here it is. They're cute, they're awesome, and I love going to get braided now because they're so fast and efficient, pain-free. Like, I'm good right now. You know how sometimes you go to these hair salons, you get your hair braided and you be feeling like your neck all stiff? Not with Get Braided Now, honey. Not with Get Braided Now, honey. We lit out here. So their information is going to be, or is, in the description box below. As you can see, I did add a little bit of color, which is different for me. I don't typically do this when I get my braids done, but this is cute. But now let's get into the good part. I'm working right now on creating the generator for the giveaway. So I'm about to announce the winners. So what I'm doing is just putting all of your names, and I want to thank everyone who entered the giveaway because you guys are so awesome. Putting all of your names into this like random name picker. Right. And what I'm gonna do is pick a random name 3 times because it's gonna be 3 of you that are gonna win the giveaway. And for those of you that don't remember, you are going to get some mink lashes from Eyedroppers Cosmetics. You're gonna get a bonnet for your hair. You're gonna get an oil by Luxe Mane, which is like an oil cocktail for your hair, which has been a great achievement in my hair growth for the past couple of months. And you're also gonna get an Abby Jahaira t-shirt. So if you're excited, click the like button, comment below. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. So first winner for the giveaway is Shamari Williams. Yay! Go Shamari. Go Shamari. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right. Hey. Next person is Isis. Woo! Go Isis. Go Isis. And the third and final winner of the 10K giveaway is Cherise. Okay guys, so the packages will be sent out soon. I'm going to be getting in contact with you guys as soon as this video drops. I'm going to be sending you guys an email so that you can give me all of your information so I can send out your giveaway items. Thank you guys. Thank you for everyone who entered the giveaway. Thank you everyone else if you didn't get to win. I'm sorry. But I'm going to be having more giveaways coming up. Thank you guys for your support. I appreciate you guys more than you know. More than you know. More content coming soon. More hair tips coming soon. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!